Understanding Termite Tracks, a guide to idiomatic English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, termite tracks. This idiom may not be commonly used, but it's a great example of how English can use imagery to convey a specific idea. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Termite tracks refers to the traces or marks left by termites as they eat away wood or paper. In everyday English, this phrase is often used metaphorically. When someone mentions termite tracks, they're usually not talking about actual insects, but rather indicating something that has been slowly and subtly damaged or eroded. This damage is often not immediately visible, just like the way termites quietly eat away at wood without being noticed until the damage becomes significant. Now, let's look at how to use termite tracks in different sentences. This will help you understand the context better and use the phrase accurately. 1. Describing gradual damage. 2. The constant criticism in their relationship was like termite tracks, slowly eroding their trust. 3. In a business context. 4. Our profits have been suffering due to small, unnoticed expenses. They are the termite tracks in our budget. 5. In literature or writing. 6. He wrote about the termite tracks of doubt that slowly made the protagonist question their reality. Notice how in each example, termite tracks is used to describe something that is slowly causing harm or change, often in a way that's not immediately obvious. Understanding the context is key when using idioms like termite tracks. Since it's not a literal term, the meaning can vary depending on the situation. Always consider the overall message and tone of your conversation. Is it about gradual change, subtle damage, or something slowly deteriorating? If so, termite tracks might be the perfect phrase to use. That's all about termite tracks. We hope this video has helped you understand this interesting phrase and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about exploring and understanding the nuances of different expressions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.